So who can tell me about the first son? What did the first son do? Yes, what did the first son do?
The first son asked his father for his half of the money to go live on his own.
That's right, he asked for his share of the inheritance. When do you get an inheritance? When your father's dead. He dishonored his father, didn't he? Then what did he do once he had the money? Yes.
She said that man said he won't give him money because he can't buy food, he can't buy himself.
Yeah, so he received all the money and he spent all the money. It was all gone. And the innkeeper said, sorry, no more money. So he had to go and work. Where did he work? Yes, where did he work? He went on a farm and he had to feed pigs. Who thinks that's really gross?
Yeah.
So then what does he do? What does he do then? Yes.
He wanted to go. He said he was hungry, so he wanted to go back home, but he thought his father would forgive him.
Yes, so he decides he's going to go home, but he thinks his father will not forgive him. Why? Because he didn't treat his father with respect. He used up all the family money. That's right. But how does the father respond when he sees his son? Is his father upset and angry? Or is the father happy? He's happy. That's right. How does the other brother feel? Jealous. That's right. He's angry.
Because
why is he angry?
Because they're making a party for the other brother.
They're making a party for the disobedient son, the rebellious son, the one who did all the bad things. He gets a party. He feels jealous. Jesus told this story because he wants us to know that no matter what things you do wrong, God will forgive you of all your sins. And he will celebrate when you come back and when you say you're sorry. And that even if we've done right all our lives, we should have a happy attitude and not a jealous attitude toward those who come back to God. That's the point of the story, and hopefully we'll think about it some more and be forgiving toward other people. Now, we'd like you to meet all of the puppets, and so I'm going to ask if all the puppets will come forward on the front side, and you can meet the puppets, and you can make some puppets, and we'll help you over here on these tables to make some puppets, okay? Let's give all the puppets a round of applause. Well done, well done. Good job. So, spend some time with the puppets.
You can come make a puppet. You guys want to try the puppet? Could somebody help me hand these out?
I want this
Help me set them over.
Who was this guy?
I want to get
This guy was the hotel clerk, you remember? No, the hotel clerk said to the young man, no money, you have to go.
You're very good.
You want to try it?
Good puppet.
Okay, let me get my hand out. One at a time, okay?
Who wants to make
We'll take turns. We'll take turns.
Who wants to come and make a puppet? Come on over here. You want to make a puppet?
Make your own.
No, just, we're going to let you try it in a minute, okay? No, you can't have it. We have to take them home.
There we go. If you want to use that hand, you can move it.
Feel free to be there.
Good job. And you can go like this. And then you can go, yeah.
All the way up and down.
If you want to, you can go make a puppet now. coming to my puppet show.
You want to
My puppet show.
Does anybody need a bag? To make a puppet?
Oh, no. You want to make a puppet? You want to try the puppet?
Do you have one?
No. Okay. Okay, well, let the puppet say goodbye, Aya. Okay?
Do you want a puppet?
Bye, Aya.
So you can color.
Thanks for coming to my puppet show.
That's right, you can draw.
Can I give you a hug?
like that?
And the mouth goes right here.
Oh, what a good girl. Bye, Aya. Thanks for coming.
What's wrong with this one?
You can make puppets too.
Hello. Thanks for coming to the puppet show.
Okay, you need one? What color? Purple, okay.
Hi. Do you want to say hi to the puppet? Do you want to say hi to the puppet?
Now here's one thing you can do. If you want to draw on this side, then you can make it be a puppet. You want to start there though? Go ahead. Oh, this one's got some real artists around here. Does anyone need any more help? You want to do it too? Okay. Ah, very good. Everyone's got one.
Yep, you try this way. And put the mouth right there. Look how it opens and shuts. What's that? If you put the mouth right here, you can make it open and shut. I like that. It's not a good word. Yes,
That one. See? Yeah. It's really anything you want it to be, okay? Don't you have any rules? You want to try one, buddy? Okay. Oh, that's good. You got your mouth right in the right spot. Well done.
I'm gonna make the leg. I'm gonna make the
Okay, good. What is that? Remember, this is the top. Oh, look. So, Speedy, this is the face. Right here, you want to do the eyes and the mouth right there, okay? You make those be polka dots in the bottom, okay? Yeah? Sure. I can help you. If you want to.
See how you can make